Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I have found the perfect tiebacks for my curtains in my home. These tiebacks are pretty long. They stretch from my fingertips to the bottom of my elbow, and they can be used in so many different shapes. Here I have them twisted with just a little bit of curve around each other, and then in my softer, lighter curtains, I have them tighter, and I have little loops going around in front. And these tiebacks put a touch of elegance to my gray curtains that I have in my living room. What I like about these is that you can bend them in what shape you want. When you have a thicker curtain, you can widen it as much as you need. And when you have a smaller, finer curtain, then you can twist it and tighten it. So don't hesitate to get these tiebacks. Try them in your home. You will love them. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.